Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, all of those features and my sweater are gray. That means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!